This is not just a car. This is Mercedes going full SCI Fi Nature mode. The Mercedes Biome is a concept that does not roll off an assembly line. It grows. In a world obsessed with batteries and charging cables, Mercedes imagined a machine that lives, breathes, and evolves. One look and it feels organic. The body does not look stamped or welded. It looks cultivated. Flowing panels layer over each other like leaves, forming a smooth, seamless shell. There are no sharp cuts or angry vents, just clean, glowing surfaces that feel alive. The exterior even gives off a soft bioluminescent vibe at night, like something pulled from deep ocean nature. The wheels blend into the body as if they grew from the same DNA. The entire structure was imagined to be formed from biofibers, cutting manufacturing waste to almost nothing. It does not attack the road. It glides over it. Step inside and it feels like a futuristic greenhouse on wheels. Light floods the cabin through transparent surfaces, creating an open natural atmosphere. Traditional plastics and heavy metals are replaced with organic materials. The layout is minimal and calm. Controls are integrated directly into the structure instead of sticking out as buttons and screens. Information flows subtly across smart surfaces, rather than blasting you with giant displays. It feels connected, like the car and driver exist in the same ecosystem. Power comes from something called Bionectar 4534, a fictional organic fuel stored within the vehicle's cellular structure. Mercedes never focused on big horsepower numbers here. The priority was extreme lightweight construction and efficiency. Imagine instant torque, near silent acceleration, and a chassis so light every movement feels effortless. This is not about dominating a drag strip. It is about intelligent motion. Here is the wildest part. The Biome was imagined to be fully biodegradable. At the end of its life cycle, it could be composted back into the earth. Structural fibers were designed to be as strong as steel while staying sustainable. Embedded systems would monitor environmental impact in real time, and autonomous features were part of its vision. It was never meant to fight Tesla or hit production. It was a statement about harmony between mobility and nature. This is not transportation. This is automotive evolution. Subscribe to Future Car for more next-level machine content. Which idea sounds craziest to you? Drop it below.